We were simply 10 students who was tired of the status quo, tired of being treated like second-class citizens, tired of being spat on, kicked, called the N-word.
After 5 decades, justice for a group of students who helped reignite the civil rights movement. The Friendship Nine were arrested in 1961 and sentenced to hard labor after staging a sit-in at a Rock Hill lunch counter. WCCB Charlotte's Marvin Beach was in the courtroom as a judge threw those convictions out today.
The defendant's convictions for trespassing in January of 1961 are vacated, null, void, and set aside.
It took 54 years, but Wednesday a judge threw out the convictions of Rock Hill's Friendship Nine.
We cannot rewrite history, but we can write history.
The student protesters were arrested and sentenced to hard labor after staging a sit-in at a whites-only lunch counter in downtown Rock Hill. The group is known as the first to take jail, no bail, instead serving 30 days in a York County prison camp.
After all this time, and here we are before the globe, being respected, and we never thought that that would happen.
It was standing room only inside the courtroom. A larger than expected crowd packing an overflow room just to get a look at history happening here today. The 8 surviving members of the group attended today's hearing, along with Bernice King, the daughter of Martin Luther King Jr.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart for your sacrifice, for your bravery, for your courage, and now you have your dignity restored.
And for many in attendance, it was before their time, but they say they have benefited from the efforts of the Friendship Nine.
It's awesome that they did it before me, because if I look at my childhood and how I grew up, I wouldn't have made it without this sacrifice. I really believe that.
Marvin Beach, WCCB News.
The judge who threw out the convictions is the nephew of the judge who sentenced the Friendship Nine. The group was also represented by their original attorney, Ernest Finney, who went on to become a South Carolina Supreme Court justice.